Hello students, this is sixth part of your third chapter, and the chapter name is Fiber to Fabric. So today we will see some activities, and before the activities we will see the summary of this chapter. Now some important points are given here. Clothes are one of our basic needs. Clothes are one of our basic needs. As we know, clothes are important to us. They protect us from the heat, cold, rain, insect bites, etc. The kinds of clothes people wear vary from place to place. Means according to the place, the people wear different types of clothes. As in the cold season, people wear woolen clothes, and in the hot region, they wear cotton clothes. Third point, the Chinese obtained silk from silkworms and made cloth from silk. Chinese obtained silk from silkworms and made cloth from silk. Fibers are like thin strands of thread that are woven to make fabrics. Fibers are like thin strands of thread that are woven to make fabrics. Your fifth point is spinning also increases the strength of fibers by twisting them together. Spinning also increases the strength of fibers by twisting them together. Socks and many other clothing items are made of knitted fabrics. Socks and many other clothing items are made of knitted fabrics. Cotton is a soft fiber that is obtained from the seed pods of the cotton plant. Cotton is a soft fiber that is obtained from the seed pods of the cotton plant. Jute is the second most important fiber after cotton. Jute is the second most important fiber after cotton. The rearing of silkworm for production of silk is known as sericulture. The rearing of silkworm for production of silk is known as sericulture. So this word, the sericulture, it means the rearing of silkworm, means we can say the farming of silkworm. As we tame the fish or other animals, same as that we rear the silkworm, and this is known as sericulture. Now you have to write the answers for some questions. So look here in Brain Bites. First question is given: why do cotton cloths sometimes shrink when washed? Why do cotton cloths sometimes shrink when washed? You have to find the answer for this question. So for this question you can take the help of internet also. Write the question and after it write the answer. Now your second question is: silk, cotton and coir do not need to undergo retting. Why is that so? Silk, cotton and coir do not need to undergo retting. Why is that so? Write the question. Now your third question is: why is a spinneret used to make nylon but is not needed to make cotton or wool fibers? Why is a spinneret used to make nylon but is not needed to make cotton or wool fibers. Write this question. Now look here. Be active. First activity is prepare a presentation, preferably a PowerPoint presentation on your findings in the group research project on fabrics. So you have to make a project about the fabrics. Note it down. In second number, here is given, you can do an activity to identify the yarns of a fabric under the supervision of your teacher or parents. Pull out 6 to 8 yarns from the fabric. Hold one end of the yarn with tongs and bring the other end over the flame of a candle. Observe carefully. Do the yarns shrink away from the flame? Do the yarns melt or burn? What type of odor is given off? Write down in observation. You can do an activity to identify the yarns of a fabric under the supervision of your teacher or parents. Pull out 6 to 8 yarns from the fabric. Hold one end of the yarn with tongs and bring the other end over the flame of a candle. Observe carefully. Do the yarns shrink away from the flame? Do the yarns melt or burn? What type of odor is given off? Write down your observations. Write it. Third number, find out if these fibers are natural or synthetic. What these fibers are made from and what they are used. Find out if these fibers are natural or synthetic, what these fibers are made from, and what they are used. So first you have to make a table. As you are looking here, in first column you have to write the name of the fibers. In second column you have to write that the fiber is natural or synthetic, and in the third column you have to write the name of the source from the fiber is obtained. So the third column is obtained from. So first fiber is given here, wool. So as you know, wool is a natural fiber. Write here natural in first column, and in second column sheep and goat. It is obtained from the sheep and goat. So we will write here sheep and goat. Second fiber is flax. It is also a natural fiber. So write here natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural, and obtained from plant. Write here plant. Third is polyester. Polyester is a synthetic fiber. Write here synthetic, S-Y-N-T-H-E-T-I-C, synthetic, and it is obtained from the coal, air, water and petroleum. From the mixture of all these things, coal, air, water and petroleum. Now next is jute. Jute is a natural fiber. Right here natural, and it is obtained from the stem of jute plant. Stem of jute plant. Next, acrylic. It is synthetic fiber. Right here synthetic, and obtained from polymer, P-O-L-Y-M-E-R, P-O-L-Y-M-E-R. Next fiber is hemp. It is also a natural fiber. So write here natural, and it is obtained from the plant. Write here plant. Another fiber is given here, denim. It is a natural fiber. Write here natural, and it is obtained from the cotton. As you heard about the denim jeans, it is a fabric of jeans which is obtained from the cotton. Now look here about the project work. The project work is given here. First point, prepare a model showing the history of clothing, shape human figures using modeling clay and make them wear clothes made of leaves and cotton. Prepare a model means you have to make some shapes of human beings with the help of clay, and you have to make them wear some cloths of leaves and cotton. Now your second project is India has been a major producer of cotton and its fabric. India exports cotton fabrics and items to many other countries. Find out how it helps us. Write these 2 points as a homework and complete your project. Your 3 chapters are complete. Chapter number 1, 2, 3. Complete all the work. Word meaning, question answer exercises and project work in your notebook which you having, your old notebooks. And learn it. Okay, good day.